Let's see if the rollers, I think they're on the very end. I can see it.
Where?
Over there.
I see them too. I'm not there yet. There's them. And I walk on the road now.
Yeah, they've been working on this road. We saw the roller doing stuff today.
Yeah, and they walk on down now.
Ooh, how's that feel? Yeah.
Let me go down.
We're going to go look at the roller.
Whoa, that's what the big one. That's what the big one.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, I can't make it up.
It's a big roller.
Hey, Dad, did we make it up?
Yeah, why don't you get them?
Yeah, but not. Dad, look how we roll.
Yeah, look at that.
I don't need that. I know that's yucky.
Yeah, that's yucky, huh?
Yucky. That doesn't wow squeaky for me.
Let's see what they have up here.
Yeah. Oh.
They have lots of buttons. This is to turn it. Yeah.
That's a beeping.
The horn.
Another time.
That looks like to press it down,
I
to
like
move
that.
forward
I wanna
and back.
I want to go up.
Well, let me get down first. You know what looks like the horn? That yellow button looks like a horn. Push that button. What happens? Or not the yellow button, the orange button.
Down?
Yeah, push it. Doesn't do anything.
Way down.
Yeah, there's no key in this one, so... Wait, there is a key in it. Well, Harrison, what is it with people leaving keys in these machines?
I know. Make it only make that God want to do that again.
Yeah. Hey.
Why can't get there?
Why is the key on it? Are you gonna use the key?
Yeah. That guy's cool.
Yeah, this guy's cool. It's like a skid steer, I think, huh? Or, I don't know. We'll figure out what this one is.
I'll take it.
That one, I guess they have it closed up, huh? Oh, here's the engine for the roller. Ooh. Oh, you're up there? Hold on, let me see. Is that how you get in?
No, I'll get open there.
Yeah, that actually opens up, but maybe that one's actually locked, huh?
Yeah. That's not how it goes.
No door on that.
Why can't the key still in?
Why is the key in it?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Wait there.
Should you be driving around in that?
Me when my big.
When you're big, you can ride in that
Yeah.
one. That's a good idea. When you're big. Not big enough yet. You think brother could ride in it?
Maybe the other white and that one.
Well, that one's all closed off. Can't go inside there.
Maybe the other one that one when you open.
That one has a key in it too.
What?
So,
Why can't key still in?
I guess they're not worried about people driving off in these, Harrison.
Why can't maybe the one to that? What does that do?
That's a windshield wiper.
That,
And then up, leave it there. That's a windshield wiper, and then above it are lights.
why go out one?
Huh?
Why go out one?
Why what?
Why go out one?
One windshield wiper? Because it's a small window. It just goes right here, like right here. It goes whoop, choop, choop, choop. You think that they needed it yesterday with all the rain?
And that too, okay. I I get down.
Let me see. I want to see something. Step over here. Yeah, see, that's all locked, so that's good. So they put a key inside, but it's a different key than opens this part up. So that's good. You want me to help you come down?
That's too scary.
Yeah. Here, I'll help you come down.
Why is a key still in? Do it a bit. Do it bit. Do it bit that.
So they've been working on here. We didn't get any video of that, huh? But we saw it a little bit this morning.
Maybe I can it done and a wall and that, and maybe we can do that one, then maybe we can not do that one.
Maybe they'll do that road tomorrow. Maybe we'll look in the morning, and maybe they're working on in the morning. They're still doing work. I don't know. Tomorrow's Saturday, though, so maybe they're taking the day off. Why is the key still in it? Why?
Maybe we can always get people stay and then it always go to a key, then maybe we can run to the road, then maybe we can it does not come.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's enjoy our time here. We'll see if we see them working anymore while we're here, okay?
Why is the key there?
Why is the key there? Silly. Are you thinking about that?
Maybe we can do always get. Hey, a beat right there.
Yeah.
Why did you beat that?
Why'd they do that?
Maybe you look at the back. What is that?
That's the tread.
What's that?
Look at those. Those are really dirty.
What? And then what?
Look at all the dirt on all the chains down there.
We didn't get that.
Look at all that dirt and mud that's now dried up. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Touch it. Oh!
That's okay. That's the back.
That's the engine.
Go.
You want to see where they put the gas?
Yeah.
Here, come up.
Right there.
Yeah, that's the gas, and I don't. That's oil, hydraulic oil
What
and
is
diesel
that?
fuel. You know, that's to unlock the lid here.
Yeah. Get that out. Can open it.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, still locked.
Maybe look it down like that. Down like that. Dock. It won't do you down. So we all can use that.
Kind of dirty in there, huh?
What? Anything that's out.
Well, you know, it gets dirty because they're using it, and so it'll get clean after they finish
look
using
at
it.
there. Whoa,
Ooh.
that's eerie, yucky.
That's really yucky in there, yeah. I don't know if I can touch that.
Yucky.
Probably oil and stuff. Pretty yucky.
Yucky. What?
What?
That's it.
All right, well, let's say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.